Okay, so for the try it, we have how much would a spacecraft that weighs 3,500 kilograms on Earth weigh on Titan. So we still use our same formula, which is y equals 1/7 times x. And Earth was our x in our last example, so that is what we're going to plug into the formula, is that 3,500. And it's, even though this is now in kilograms, it's still 1/7 of what it would be on Titan. And so we just take 1/7 times that 3,500, and we find out that on Titan, it would weigh 500 kilograms. All right, let's do this real world problem. So the distance, y, in meters, that a four-person ski lift travels in x seconds is represented by the equation y equals 2.5x. The graph shows the distance that a two-person ski lift travels. Which is faster? So identify the slope of the graph for each lift and then interpret the slope as a unit rate. So the four-person ski lift, they said we had the equation y equals 2.5x. And now remember, y equals mx, where m is my slope. So that means my slope is 2.5. So m equals 2.5 is my slope. That's on the four-person ski lift. The two-person ski lift, we're going to have to use our equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to label these my x1, y1, my x2, y2. So my y2 is 12. I have 12 minus 4 over 6 is my x2 minus my x1, which is 2. So 12 minus 4 is 8 over 6 minus 2, which is 4. And this equals 2. So my slope for the two-person ski lift is 2. So which one is faster? It says which is faster. Our 2.5 is faster because that means it's a steeper slope. So our faster one is our larger slope. All right. Then it says graph the equation that represents the four-person ski lift in the same coordinate plane as the two-person lift and compare and interpret the steepness. So it says that our equation was y equals 2.5x. So I'm going to plug in a 0. And when I do, I get 0. So that would be the point 0, 0. Actually, let's do this in a different color. We'll go there. 2.5 times 1 gives me 2.5. So that would be 1, 2.5. 2.5 times 2 equals 3. No, it doesn't. Equals 5. And that is 2, 5. So here is, this is my four-person. And then my two-person, my slope is 2. And so that means we start at 0, 0 because it's proportional. We go up 2 over 1. Just remember every number's over 1. Up 2 boxes over 1. So here's my 2-person. And we can see that the 4-person is also, it's not just steeper, but it's also, or faster, it's also steeper. So the bigger the slope, the steeper the line.